to create new workbook. We can use workbooks.add method to create new workbook. So let's understand this with example. I want to create a new workbook in a folder using VBA code. So what I'll do, I'll go to developer tab, click on insert. From ActiveX control, let me select command button and I will drag and drop command button here. So what I want, once I click on this command button, I want a new workbook or new Excel file to be created in a specific folder. So where is that folder? Let me show you. On my desktop I have a folder named total data. So in this folder I want to create new Excel file or new Excel workbook. So let me double click on this command button so that I can write code. So code is dim wv as workbook. So we have created one variable of workbook type, and then set wv equal to workbooks dot add. So what this line will do, workbooks dot add method will create a new workbook and it will activate that new workbook. So we need to write code for saving the newly created workbook, and if we want we can close that also. So let's see what is the code. wv dot save as, and then file name colon equal to, so where I want to save this newly created workbook, in that folder. So let me open this folder and let me copy path with folder name. So we have path including folder name. Folder name is total data. Now I am using one slash, and then I want to give name to newly created workbook as Jan. I will close within inverted commas, and then I need to give the file format, like I want to save as .xlsx, I mean simple workbook, or .xlsm micro enabled workbook. So I want to save this as simple Excel file. So what I'll do here, file format colon equal to 51. So why this 51? Because let me tell you, .xlsx we can use 51. If we want to save file as micro enabled, I mean .xlsm, then we can write 52. Now once file is saved, then we can close that newly created workbook. So for that, active workbook dot close. Now to avoid any message before this line, let me write application dot display alerts equal to false. And once workbook is created, then application dot display alerts equal to true. So this simple code will create a new workbook, will give name to that workbook as Jan, and that workbook will be saved as simple Excel file, or you can say with .xlsx type. Now once task is done, I want to come to the workbook or file where I am working, or where we have this command button. So to do that, this workbook dot worksheets. Command button is on sheet 1. Sheet 1 dot cells. I want to select A1, that means row number 1, column 1 dot select. So we are done with the code. So let me minimize this VB editor and I'll go to the sheet. Let me click on design mode so that we are out of design mode. Now if I click on this command button, I am expecting new workbook to be created and name should be given Jan, and then we want to select cell A1 and that is selected. Now let's check in that folder. We can see that new workbook with the name Jan is created. So let me close this folder. Let me show the code again. So this is how we can create new workbook using VBA code. We can use this code to create multiple workbooks also using looping statement. So let me know if you have any question around this topic. You can write into comments or you can send me email. I hope this tutorial is helpful. You can subscribe to my channel for getting notifications for new tutorials. Thank you.